Hello, welcome everyone. Hope all of you are enjoying New Year's Eve. Now we are going to enter into a new year, just few hours left, and I am speaking from India. Uh, Already, some countries have entered into the new year and they have started celebrating uh, their Happy New Year. So just we are few hours uh, left, and I thought that making a video for all of you and sharing my thoughts with you, that would be great. That would be a great idea. So 2021 was a memorable year for almost everyone. It was a year of hope. It was a year of disappointment. For someone, it was a year of success. Like many people got success in Olympics from India and from other countries. Many, it was a year of failure for many people. It is just because it is not the destination, it's the path. For someone like Neeraj Chopra in 2021 Olympics, he got the gold medal from India. It doesn't in javelin. It doesn't mean that in the past 2 3 Olympics he was sitting in rest, or he was also getting the gold medal. In the mean between state he was, it means he was doing hard work. So that's the thing, he was doing hard work. And that building that person, okay, making the starting and stopping, that is not the very great thing. Just making, being continuous, being continuity, that is the very thing, important thing in our life. What I understand or what I think is that, so it may be that someone was preparing for any great aim for 2021, and he failed in that year. Again, he will attempt, and someone will have great success, someone will have great failure. It's not like that. Even the sine wave, it has the positive peak, negative peak. Again, after negative peak, positive peak will come. It doesn't mean that. But what is the RMS value? It is Vm by root 2, Im by root 2. RMS value is always positive. It's that kind of thing. So uh, always that is RMS is peak or maximum by root 2. It means that always you have to be continuous. We have to be continuous. That's kind of thing. 2021, I was talking about that it came with hope because the vaccines were out, and we hope to come out from this pandemic. And again, also deadly, the second and third waves hit in many countries of the world. So it was also, we lost many people. There are some people who lost their jobs, who lost their family person, who lost their near and dear ones, who had their heartbreaks, who had their very going through very negative stage of their life. That's the stage of their life. Okay, you cannot say that why this negativity came. Okay, even the person surrounding you, then other person don't know. Okay, negativity will come, problems will come for everyone. It's not like that Sachin Tendulkar, after doing 100 of his centuries, the bowler stopped bowling him googly, stopped bowling his spin, stopped bowling him yorkers, bouncers. It's not like that, that after reaching to that level I will not face problems. Problems will gradually increase, but your response, okay, if this hand is in steady state, obviously when unexpected thing and disturbance will come, so obviously it will break the system, it will try to break the system. Okay, so similarly problems will try to break the person. Okay, but you have to change, you have to make yourself strong. It's like the virus is also changing now. A very small virus, some micrometer, nanometer, or that range it will be, it is changing itself to, why it is changing? Because it wants to live. Very simple. I was doing interview of a doctor, he was saying that it's very simple, because the virus wants to live. That's why he wants to change the structure. That's why that's why it changes its structure. Similarly, if we want to grow, we have to change. Okay, so 2021, it was different experiences for different one, as I have already told. So whatever we have gained, whatever we have lost, and whatever most importantly we have learned, 365 days, we cannot tell that we haven't done anything. Even we have slept most of the year, and because in online all the things, in everyone is in home. So whatever you have done, you should have learned something, and that learning apply in it your new life. Okay, I just want to add one thing, that the best learning is be strong yourself. Okay, if you see that nothing is perfect in this world, you may see that this person having this kind of problem, that person having another type of problem. You will see the world is full of problems. It is your view on which you see the world. Okay, either you view the world based upon the problems or based upon the solutions. It's your view. There are many examples of that people, only the change of the view, it gives very kind of things. Okay, I have several examples to tell. It's like once a truck, uh, uh, once a truck was stuck under a bridge. Okay, because the truck was height and the bridge was low. You know that the underpasses are there. So what happened that after going some distance, the truck got stuck, and people came, the police came, everyone came. They tried to pull out the truck, but they were not able to put more force, because they knew that if we give more force, then the upper bridge which is there, that may destroy, and that will cause more loss of money. So what they did, that they finally gave up. But a boy or a young fellow was standing there and doing all the kind of things. What he did, that he went and told to uh, bring out to vacate the tires of the truck. So what happened, the truck automatically came down some few feet, few not feet, I will say few inches, and due to that they were able to came bring the truck and from the under the bridge. That's many kind of things, that how you see the problem. Some, okay, always there are solutions. So how you see the problems, it's not that problems will not come, difficulties will not come. Everyone use say, because in our new year we say everyone that everyone's health will be okay, everyone's academics or work, whatever, that will be okay, everything will be okay. But it's not possible for a person, because it's the ideal case. In what we say in ideal, what is that ideal DC? Ideal DC is constant 5 volt, 10 volt. Is it in practice, is it really happens like that? There is some ripple, even point something volt, the ripple is there. That is the thing of in real life. We start the world, we start our new year with uh, ideal kind of things. I will be doing this, I will be doing this. Why from 2020 to 1st January? Why not today? Why not that day? Okay, if we just change our views, whatever we see or we experience is most of based upon our views. Okay, one great person says that in 90% what you view and 10% what actually happens. That's the kind of thing. So our view means it greatly changes all the things. Now now the thing is that we want to if we want to have, let's say, we have many problems in life. We have also many kind of very success also in life. So it's not like that in negativity we should be broken down. So I know that telling this is very simple, but the person who feels that it's very means very problematic for him or her to tackle the situation, but no issue. The things what happens that at that time he gradually means it happens like this, no? uh, uh, what up in like coal, it stays under the earth many years, many things, many years, many pressure, many kind of chemical reactions, and those kind of things happens, blah blah blah, and finally it becomes diamond, that kind of thing. So problems are there to make you strong. Okay, so I unlike of other ideologies, I will not say that 2022, the upcoming year, would be a very uh, ideal life for you. I would pray, I would wish that everyone should be good, but also you should have the potential, you should have the power, and I pray that you have the power, you have the potential to overcome whatever the negativities come in your life. You should have the power to overcome, to you should have the potential to overcome it. বিপদে মোরে রক্ষা করো এ নহে মোর প্রার্থনা, বিপদে আমি না জানা করি ভয়। You save me in my danger, it's not my prayer, but I should not get feared in the danger. You give me the energy, the courage to face the fear. That's the thing that I would wish everyone you should have, and that's the part of your life, part of our life, having problems, having negativity. But you or we should have our new year in our best form. Okay, in our best form than the previous years. Whatever we have spent till now, we should have it best form than the previous years. May not be the ideal, but yeah, what is happening in modern days, we cannot have the pure DC, but ripple is gradually decreasing, even 0.0000%, even that will be there. But we can reach to the ideology, that is the kind of thing, reach to the ideal state. So everyone should have the power to overcome the negativities, and I wish everyone a happy new year. Okay, bye bye, thank you.